Hey, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today in the kitchen, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious pasta dish. If you're a pasta lover, you'll definitely love this. It's perfect for Valentine's Day dinner. So let's get into it. Here I'll be using some rigatoni noodles and I have some seasoned shrimp. I'll be using heavy cream, some diced tomatoes, some spinach. I have onions, garlic, as well as parsley. I have some Monterey Jack cheese, Parmesan cheese, and some Colby Jack cheese. The seasoning I will list in the description box. So here's how I seasoned the shrimp. I washed in lemon juice and I added 1 tablespoon of green seasoning. I used some Old Bay seasoning, lemon pepper seasoning, and complete seasoning. I mix it all to combine and set aside to marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. I will link the recipe for the green seasoning down in my description box, but if you don't feel like making it, you can always purchase it from my Amazon storefront. Check that out, guys. I will leave the link for that also in my description box. Next, we'll go ahead and boil our noodles. To a pot of boiling water, I will add some salt, then we'll add the noodles in there. Mix well and allow it to boil to your desired texture. Now let's prepare our shrimp. To a preheated skillet, I did add some oil and now we will add that shrimp in there. You want to cook the shrimp for about 1.5 minutes on each side. You don't want to overcook them. So just cook them for about 1.5 minutes and then I'll show you all the last step. Now I'll add some garlic and herb butter. I'm using the Kerrygold kind. We'll allow that to melt and then toss the shrimp around in that butter and just remove it from the skillet and set aside. Super simple and easy, and this is absolutely delicious. You guys will love it. To the same skillet, I did add a pinch of oil and then we'll add our onions in there along with the garlic. Toss that around a bit and allow it to go for about 2 minutes. Next, you want to go in with your diced tomatoes and we will allow it to come up to a simmer. You know, the heat drop. So we want it to come back up to temperature and then we will go in with our heavy cream. You want to also allow this to come up to a simmer because, you know, the cold heavy cream, it made the heat drop. So we want it to come back up to temp and then I'll show you the next step. Next, you want to go in with your cheese. Just toss it around a bit and allow it to melt and then we'll add our seasonings. And you know, you just want this to simmer on low heat and allow it to thicken. You want the sauce to thicken up so it can hold on to our pasta. Once the sauce thickens, we'll go in with our spinach. Add as much or as little as you like in here. I did add some more afterwards, but yeah, just add a lot of it. It's so delicious. And the last thing we'll add is our pasta. We will toss that around nicely. Make sure that the pasta is nicely coated. At first, it will seem like, you know, the sauce isn't holding on to the pasta. But once this cools down, that pasta will suck up all that sauce and it will hold on nicely, and that's exactly what we're looking for. And then you want to just go in with fresh parsley for garnish, and that's it, guys. The pasta is all done and now we can get ready to serve. And here you have it, creamy pasta with shrimp. I did serve it up with some garlic bread and it was to die for. Trust me, if you're a pasta lover, you will definitely love this. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients I use down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support and enjoy.